Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And a while back, I made a video about pick a font, and the pick a font that I was actually talking about is this CNC single line font that is pretty cool. But somebody, and I was just playing around with it today after they asked, somebody emailed me a question: how do you go get the font and how do you install it? Well, I just did that Mandingo. Let's get another one. Let's get Yahoo. This is called Yahoo. I'm going to press that. Now you might get some ad, but just close those and go down to download font, and you're going to get this screen. Now this is a zip folder because you need to deflate it. So let's go to extract. It's going to put it in user download on mine and probably in yours. I've already got that one, so let me pick another one. I didn't realize I had it. Let's just back up, pick another font. I want something I could maybe use one day. Let's just try this one. So just remember the name. There's advertisement, just delete it. They try to get you to use it. Download font. So this is a zip folder. Go to extract. It's putting it in C drive, user download. It's done it. Then go to that folder, and there it is right there. Now, it still looks like a zip, but there it is. And see, I think this is the trouble they're having. There it is as a TrueType font, where there it is as a zip archive. So just go to that one and double click on it. It's going to come up with that. Type install. Just remember the name of it, because once it's there and you close this down, then go to back into there, and we're just going to delete this name and type in baby. Easier said than done. And there it is right there. So there's that font. I'll probably never use that font, but it is kind of cool. So that's how you do it. Just remember that it's normally going to be a zip, so you have to extract it to be able to use it, and then just go find it and install it. They got some pretty cool fonts on there. Ones that are like dots, barbed wire, puzzle, skyscraper. I mean, there's DA fonts. It still has a lot of fonts, or maybe more, but some of these I've never seen on DA fonts. Anyway, I hope that answered their question. Thank you for watching.